Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I'd like to tell you, if you haven't watched this swing tutorial of this gorgeous draped princess gown, then I would request you to please watch that video first, because in that video I have shared how you can easily create this gorgeous princess gown. For that you can click on this I button and links will be provided in the description box. And this video is totally on the DIY accessories which I have created with this gown, which is totally created with the remaining fabric. So in this video I am sharing how you can create this beautiful fabric flowers to create any accessories you want. I have created a choker and a hair clip with this fabric flowers. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, to make the flower petals, I have taken these paper cutouts of different sizes. The center one is of 4.5 centimeter and the smaller one is of 3.5 centimeter, and it goes on by increasing 0.5 centimeter, and the larger petals I have taken of 6 centimeter. So accordingly I need to cut all the petals from the georgette fabric which I bought, and the same which I have created the outfit from. So like this I have folded in many layers as much as you can, but I have taken 4 layers at a time because it was difficult to cut. So I have taken 4 layers and then cut it out according to the paper cutouts. This is the center portion. Like this circular also you can take, and you can also cut it in according to your choice. Like you can create any n number of shapes and sizes from this cutouts, or you can take petal shape also. So like this I am cutting all the pieces required. So this is all required only to make one flower. So after cutting it in different sizes, I have arranged it accordingly and then took a candle and lighten it up, and then I started burning out the edges to hem it. So because this is a floral pattern and I can't hem it all around the edges by stitching, and moreover it will look good and it will give you a feel of a petal. So I have done like that. So I have hemmed it by burning the edges, so it will automatically enfold, giving you a very delicate look of a floral petal. So this is how it goes. So here I am burning all the petals one by one, and you can imagine it took me like ages to do the same. And here's the look. See how delicate it's looking, and it's looking like a real floral petal. And likewise you need to do with all the remaining petals, and it will really require a lot of time and patience. While doing that, I thought to just shot some aesthetic clips, and I hope you enjoy it. And now it's time to arrange it all in the form of a flower. So one by one I am arranging the bigger petals at the end, holding in such a way that all the petals are halfly hidden. So like this I am arranging. You can arrange in your choice, like however you want. So, and after arranging it I am stitching it all together instead of pasting, because I believe pasting will not go in long run, but rather I prefer stitching it all together. So in this way I am stitching it, and in the center I am using a bigger pearl to give it a more aesthetic look. So like this I am making one flower, and I have not taken any number like how much petals I have used in one flower. So you can use it less, you can use it more. It's totally depend on your preferences. So here I am attaching one by one all the flowers on the cape sleeves which I have shown in the starting of this video. So like this I will attach all the flowers to make the princess gown look even more better and even more prettier. So after arranging all the things, here I need to make more flowers for the cape sleeves. So here the process goes on. So after attaching all the flowers to the cape sleeves, some of the flowers left, so I thought to create a cute hair clip out of it. So I took one alligator hair clip and then sticked it with the help of B7000 glue, which is the strongest, and then even I wanted to conceal it, so I stitched it also. And after that I made a choker. So for that I have taken a lining piece which is of 14-inch long and 2-inch wide. So in this way I am folding it inwards and then sewing it at one end to conceal it. So in this way it will come out. So here it is 13 inches now, because again I have stitched the hem end also, putting it inwards, and then 1 inch I have taken the marking for, to attach the this snap buttons. I have taken 2 snap buttons to make it more adjustable according to the size as my daughter grows. So I am putting here 2 snap buttons on the neck, on the strap. So here one way is to directly fix the snap buttons on the fabric, and then with the help of this fixer you can just tightly fix it in the place, or I will show you another way to fix it which is more accurate. See how easily it has been fixed, and it looks so nice without any stitching threads and all. So likewise I will also attach the another part on the another strap side, so that it can be locked properly. So like this you can attach the other part also, but here because I have already attached it to the fabric, and while fixing it, it slipped from the place, so I thought to change the process. So now I have taken this part which will get fixed on one strap. So this is the locker side, I guess. So this I will put it directly into the fixer. So like this you will just hold it in your hand, and then you can place it like this. So it will get fixed because that place is made up of rubbers, so it will take in properly. So it will get properly fixed in the holes, and then you can directly punch it into your strap. So see, here it goes. So the top portion you need to be careful about it, which part is going up and which part is going down, and you need to press it very hard to get it locked. And see, here it is also fixed. So this look very nice. Instead of stitching it all around, we can directly fix the snap buttons with the help of this tool. So next up is to attach the flower on the neck. So this was the remaining flower I had. So it was looking really dull, like the petals were less, so I had already some of the petals left, so I thought to use that petals in the center. So here I am arranging again in the same form, but with a twist. Here I am stitching it all one by one, and then I am forming a very rose bud kind of structure which will look really nice. So there is nothing to explain much about. You can directly watch it and do it on your own. And here's the final look of the flower we made. See how fuller, how prettier it looks. So the theory is the more you use the petals, the more prettier it will look. So in this way I am stitching it all together, but here it is because of the weight it is coming down, so I am stitching it from the side petals too and fixing it with the choker. So likewise you can also do stitching it all together to make it more sturdy and to make it look better. In this way you can arrange it and you can make n number of things, and you can use this floral piece to make your outfits stand out. And personally I feel this is the best thing I have made so far. And if you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family for more such DIY accessories to create it for yourself.